How to set password for YouTube on TV. First, navigate to the settings of your TV. In the settings, find a section called Safety. It's typically located in the General section. Next, inside the Safety section, select Application Locks or similar name, depending on your TV. If you haven't set any passwords yourself, the default password is typically 4 zeros, so try that. Once you're inside, look for YouTube and click it. After you click YouTube, you have set an application lock for it. If you had the default password, 4 zeros, you should probably change the password to something that is a bit more difficult to guess. So next, go to Reset Password and choose a new password. Okay, now if we navigate back to the home page, we see that the YouTube app has this small lock icon on the top right corner. And if we click it, it asks us to enter the password. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any further questions, leave a comment. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.